refrigerator with household things and at pretty cheap cost. And I am using distilled water. You can also use tap water, but for best results you have to use distilled water. You can buy this in your local battery store. It costs around 70 to 80 rupees and it's pretty cheap. I'm using two HW batteries, which gives me around 18 volts, and I'm using two electrical tape and a piece of cardboard and also some salt. And for generator containing, I'm using one glass tumbler, and these were the electrodes. Actually, I bought these and I sanded these a lot, and if you sand these things a lot, surface area will increase and it let the current pass through very fastly. Okay, and this permanent marker. Now we will start labeling this container on this cardboard. So let's get started. Okay guys, now I'm gonna cut this thing. I have cutted that thing, and I have again made a small hole to fit this pipe. Actually, I got this from some scrap and I just cut it and I'm using it. And I also made two small holes for the wires to go let in, and I sealed it with some electric tape and I don't let the gas escape. Okay, and it also fits correctly on its stride. And now I'm gonna pour this distilled water into our tumbler. There we go. And we got a air salt to let the current flow through them more fastly. 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna mix them well. I'm gonna mix this very well until it gets dissolved. And this is enough for now. I'm gonna take the salt away. Now it's the time where the electrodes take part. Now these were the batteries. This is anode, this is cathode, which is nothing but this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Now we have to connect these electrodes to the wires somehow. For that I'm gonna use electric tape, which are waterproof too. I'm gonna take a small strip of that. There we go, I got the scissors. Sorry for the delay. Small strip is enough. And there we go. This is the anode. So that I have added some tape. There we go. Make sure the copper part of the wire is touching to the electrode. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I touched one electrode and this is the negative terminal and the part of another one. I'm again gonna cut a strip of electric tape. There we go. I'm gonna take a strip of electric tape. I took a strip. I took an electric strip and I combined it with this thing. Make sure it touches the electrode, and there we go. Yep, it's fixed. Now the electrodes are done. They are fitting snugly, and slowly we have to dip that into our distilled water and salt water connection. Now, somehow we have to connect. We have to put this thing, attach this glass tumbler to this cardboard. For that, I am using tape. Actually, you can directly use some sort of like plastic cover. Yeah, that also won't the gases let go outside. You can use that too. There we go. I'm gonna seal it on the all sides, and there we go. Okay, make sure there are no gaps between the cardboard and the tumbler. Mm, okay, yeah. Let's make it slow because perfection is important. There we go. Still one strip enough to make it tight. This is the last strip. So please do not follow the video. There we go. There we go. It's done. Start. Okay, our generator is ready. Okay, now we have to give this thing a power source. I actually using HW batteries. I actually told them, but I have connected these batteries in series. Okay, I told you the negative terminal means the black wire. So I'm connecting this thing with the black wire. Connecting them. It's time for the positive wire. There we go. I'm connecting these things. See, the bubbling already had started in the generator. And the wires were also heating up. There we go, we can see the bubbles. And there we go. The gas isn't coming yet, but the bubbles have started. I think we have to wait a few seconds for the gas. I can slightly feel the gas, but not perfectly. But it's working. Yeah, I can feel the gas. Now I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna take a small soda bottle. Yeah, I can listen the sound. And slowly I'm letting it to fill it up. And after it got filled, I'm gonna give it a small spark to ignite. And you will see what happens and how powerful is this gas is. This gas is. The gas production is very slow because I am using a normal toy car batteries. But in my next video I will upgrade the power source, and there we can get proper and more supply. Slowly the gas is entering. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's more than enough. And now I'm gonna try to ignite it. I don't know whether it works or not because I didn't check that it had filled correctly or not. And now I'm gonna check. Yeah, it has not filled perfectly, but I can feel the gas. But it is working. HHO generator is working, and you can also see the bubbles produced by the gas. My generator is working. But if you want an ultimate test video, subscribe to my channel, and in my next video when making the bubbler, I'm gonna make a bubbler for this. In the time I'm gonna make an extreme test for this video. So please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.